Well, hello my fellow YouTubers. I'm working on this E450 shuttle bus 2005. Got the Triton V10. I bought it in Oklahoma. I live in Kansas. Only had 20,000 miles on it, but it had a crazy belt noise. I had it in the shop and they said, don't worry about it. It's nothing. I sprayed a little belt dressing on there and it quit for a little bit, but it was driving me insane, so I decided to see if I could figure out what it was on my own. And no, it's not the 2100 RPM problem that everybody else seems to have. I had to have my own unique problem, but let's get into it. The coach is made by Diamond right here in Kansas where I live, and I am converting it into a camper. And I sure don't want to take it out on the road with that bolt noise. Well, this belt's about 120 inches, and I took it off, and when I got it off, I noticed what you might see here. Looks like I got the belt on wrong, but that was the exact problem. The compressor that they put on here for the second air conditioner is an 8-groove pulley, and I have a 6-groove belt, but putting a straight edge between the back of this pulley and the back of this pulley, I realized they had it on the front 6 instead of the back 6. And once I swapped that around, put the belt back on, started it up, and I don't have any belt noise remaining. I went to O'Reilly's to get a new belt, but it's a special order, blah blah blah. This one looks like new, but I wanted to change it since it had been run and had worn the edge off here. But it looks like it's going to be fine. Well, I'm glad to have that taken care of. That belt noise was driving me crazy. Making great progress on the conversion, and I really want to take this thing on a little longer road trip, and I'll feel much better about it having that belt fixed. Have a great one.